Good afternoon, Pat the Backyard Builder here. Well, got a little bit of an unnerving situation here. Went to plug my vehicle in the other day, and lo and behold, when I opened up the cap, we had a fire in our outlet. Little unsettling. These GFRC's outlets are ground fault receptacles. They're required by code in Canada on any outdoor outlet that's within 8 feet of the ground. So it's just a little unsettling that something that's supposed to protect your life would threaten to burn your house down. So anyways, we're gonna set up here and fix this today, and it should be a fairly quick and easy job here. So we've got our tools out here. It's a simple selection of tools that you need. Of course, I'm going to need a new cover because the old one got all burnt up, and got my replacement receptacle there. Got a small flathead screwdriver, a number 1 and number 2 Robertson, my wire strippers, wire cutters, and of course a multimeter for testing to make sure that the voltage is off. So we're going to begin by exposing our outlet here. We got a flathead screwdriver. Just take off the water resistant cover. Inside there, you might want to save that. May or may not come in handy. Now, generally, this thing got, wow, did that thing ever get cooked good? Really like to figure out what happened here, boy. Anyways, generally a number 1 Robertson is what you use for taking apart these screws. And that'll just loosen the plug from the holder. I should mention, before you get started here, you're probably going to want to go down to the breaker box and find out which breaker runs this, and just make sure the power's off so you don't zap yourself good here. Boy, that'll fry well. Geez, blew right out the back. I'll show you a picture of that up close here in a moment. Just before you start fiddling around with stuff, just always a good idea just to take your multimeter and just set it into the 150 volt range. And just make sure that the power is actually off and you got the right breaker. Power is off there. I've got nothing for power. When the fire happened here, it actually blew the breaker, which is a good thing. Okay, that is that. That's what it looks like here on the back. Like it just totally burned the whole back side of the thing. It just blew it right out. So that's pretty scary. That's the kind of thing that can set your house aflame here. So we're just gonna take our new thing here, and we don't have to strip the wires or anything because they're all ready to go. Basically, it's just a matter of putting the wires back in the hole and tightening. So start with the ground wire, make sure you're grounded. That's what the little green one on the end is. Hopefully you can figure out which one the white and the black are. The white is always going to be your neutral. That goes back onto the side that's marked white or neutral. And that just goes into the hole. And then you tighten that back up. And then you get that out of the way, and that, oh, it doesn't want to go in now. Come on, in there. In the hole. Wire's just a little bit bent. And I didn't bring a pair of pliers. Okay, real easy, just make sure that's pushed in and you just slide your wire in, then you just tighten that up and that's all secured now. And then you just push everything back into the hole and reassemble your outlet, and that's all there is to it. Once you got this on, you go get your circuit tester, turn the power back on, and you're ready to roll again. Anyways, that's about all for today. Have a good day.